Ebusia BBC for Eddie expose bi ababontin na me si we die anasare me yaw anase de ne kura ma o we yes scam pa Ghana ni ene Nigeria ni. Hey,
it's so difficult to make the kind of money this man has taken from people. When he speaks to you, you would think he's an angel. This is Agyemang I'm talking about.
Any patimu esumu ankasa. Aha, let's talk YouTube. And then first time I'll pop into a video, I'm so say over subscribe and I'm click on notification bell so for latest updates on Facebook. As let's talk YouTube and a TikTok so as let's talk YouTube share video I'm for about share. Any comments be I wanna wait your comment section ho Eddie amami. Ebusia erada bomb bitwoye na chese ote wa debi wa wonka bi che mu be wan se boom bibia ba be boom BBC for e de expose bia ba bontin a chese COS a eye UK for si eye free a wote wa obetimi apply na nka wa qualify no wa kwakoye adwuma wo ho no omu ton ni sika twitwiri die enye sika nketekiti o ene wo se wo pa na o maka cho no madada waka cho se package den na o ma ju sika no me hey Ghana for and like Africans I didn't need to most na first person now or what expose we mu Nigerian doctor or no chese oti UK honum and juma wodi ni say any Nigeria free or dada wa na any waji usika na wati ni din de Kelvin Dr. Kelvin a chese or this strategy be da for na we ni masema o kan say and go food here because of me says I any air pressure.
They understand.
Yes, they are paying because they know it's most likely the only way.
Officer says that COS a certificate of sponsorship I UK one sometime ago or can say or moving papa a woman or social workers about 500,000 and then so
we also know that we're going to need an extra 500,000 additional people working in social care by 2035.
It's because of the number of people are penalty. What I say any more COS way by said I'll bet to apply or country now about accommodation with work said more working environment ni ebe easier more say krobia ni wa wo nipa ebe so that de bia wo so hia wo bia obeba na wabeba dem waba beboa wo na Ghana fo no mu bi eho akodi mu pa enya asem keto na before say meko Ghana fo ni mu no eye immigration fo ni bi echirechire mu adekodi nti a omutumi ton sa ade we aboden e de mankofo.
COS is a certificate of sponsorship by a business saying I'm going to sponsor an individual, and without that you can't get a visa and you can't travel to the UK to take up your job.
Basically they are essential for someone who wants to come to the UK to work.
Absolutely.
So that's why they're valuable and that's why people are selling it.
Exactly, because so many people want these jobs in the UK. The COS is the thing that's really in demand, and that's where agencies have exploited the system by charging candidates tens of thousands of pounds for these certificates.
Omutwe mu ana chese ade no esumboma oze omani ma ye hia mayen eti wote ho a wo pe baabi ede wuti akwa akwakohye what I say it is a what say agent bi si o for 10,000 pounds bra na memfa won kwa na chese wakope posia ebi no omabusuafo ayaka ebi mu se omabusuafo kura empe o menim kura ahwebie mu kura chese nya asem kito na expose enim no Ghana for be 3 ebe ka omonsem na first person no o say se wunhu eye Ghana ni na ne nsasha ade na se na ni din ede na Akwasi Agyemang Prempeh. This man some time ago somewhere last year nkofo calling it out pam say scam. Excuse my language, say scam because he is said the nkofo kan scam na Ghana ha no so obi is successful now be can be fa ne ho pe asama e be kan say oh muhu say o wanye skenti na wo this asem we ba be hye ne kon but people were calling him out somewhere last year and so now kwa no pay information amagada chwe say ogusu kura twetwe bi muka odede bi muka onim se ade ne say UK for no mo hwe ankofo scamming ankofo no mo yoma de say ade no ko matwem omu emfa nya adwuma bi onim se o maye free ho even on my site work or post say nobody should pay a dime or more be just come obia but or use it against them. What I say it's no jigs cannot their coach and no they're living a life. It's a victim which I say Sana na Akwasi na unkasa wono ana etumi yesa.
It's so difficult to make the kind of money this man has taken from people. When he speaks to you, you would think he's an angel. This is Agyemang I'm talking about. If you haven't had this kind of encounter with him, when someone tells you he did this, you will not believe it.
Na saga na 43 mienu be ma ba kono. Omo chire mu a omo twa £67,000.
Oh, 35,000.
£35,000.
£12,000.
£12,000 from you, and from Abigail, 4,000. And Brian?
Yeah, £16,000.
Guys, that's £67,000.
Sawati, nipa 3 pe and waji says, imagine, ba kupe kwa so say 35,000. Imagine say, so waji nkofo be 20 and ase nkofo be 30 a. Sika sen na sisi asa akwa na akwakodi ni ho. Chese na Akwasi die wa ye nkofo bone ankasa. Na victims na ansema omo kanso ne say, ade no mu nim say COS no oton ama omo. Omo busa na or see any one a package and anything.
Mine, he didn't. When I questioned it, he just said, oh, it's not the COS that we're selling, it's the package. So,
Yes, that's the word, package.
So latest money, accommodation, to give you some weird explanation.
What's a package in any say? Just say a cover accommodation. Any a juma will be it just a 16,000 a package, a 10,000 a package. It's the Uber to near afford no. Nene what they are shooting no wa jiska no wa kwakudi. Na arehosem baby anache say me share no na me ra ho. And say victims see kase omo refer other people because omo ye no omo succeed more omo. From the beginning now no so call refer nkofo and right now some nkofo ne dia anye ye nti adane omo so.
Have you paid?
For now, pay 6,000.
I've paid 22,000.
From your pocket?
Yeah, for mine. It's just not right when I think of it. To think money that I haven't spent it. You know, I borrowed money from my uncle. And then now, because of that, my family, including my own mother, we don't talk. Don't talk because of what? Somebody's stupidity. Why?
It's okay.
I have to work endlessly. And this guy is going on and on.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot to pay back.
Muso me 6,000 so far. Bi musu gusu a chese omutua chese aden because enipa na so na won say me nko nipa smisi wo no betimi abo me metukan na makọ na misika akoshim dia so na refer enti meji misika sa ana omo bre wo already omo ma is stranded. They don't even know what to do with their lives. Obika enso show mo kon wa chese ebi mu chem so mapusua kra ne omo nkasa. Oh, I don't know what say basa na de eye nwanwan say ene undercover ni baako ono ne ye be ma ekufesi no eye Akwasi no kobusa no hawa ebesi afa omo befa so a ono susu benya bi etu kwan ne nkofo it's here the
To tell me the money is going to be a lot.
So for 3 people, this is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the
2,000 for 3 people.
what does he has to do now?
In terms of cost.
Yeah.
He needs to sell Uganda. He needs to sell Mwavini from the presidency.
Oni ni di nkomo wie na no se o sa nipa 3 pe no nipa 3 na nipa ne pese o de omo ba no omo betua say £42,000 na sa £42,000 na omo betua no ana guy ni bisa ne say na ye be ye ne sense bi a anka installment bi beba na o se we dey say mo koton Uganda ene mo president na chese ni kasa mu chese sika no no ayawe se sika ne enye sika ketwa o emu yedu nanso waye na adwen se oje nti wusu waye desperate se ubetu kwa nti wusu so ubaye de ubetu sika no e de amano nana Akwasi Agyemang we no ni strategy na o use before no na health sector ene o ya na o de wafa health na wo de ko on it ohun se backfire no ana se sia no oba na ode be construction into NAP Construction Limited no eye ne dia a chese wa structure ne wo ne online ho no ma wa structure ne kama nti no ode ye COS ne mankofo eno no odi gina so say eno no ode ye na emom no not forget to say time na ode ye ni nyina no na UK ho no oma blacklist ne se omo mpene e ma ne mfa saa construction limited no enye COS ma obi abiem enti no deal with that issue ana ode nkofo ka enti no ubebusa nza aden na wenjai no oguso ye because oji sika ne wa ha no ode ababa betua ne ka what asem na say aha oji jijiji sika no no ode ababa betua ne ka enti ono ananu muto ana oka say health ni nyeye eti sesi aye construction ne IT.
Okay. Well, it's tight. That's what the process. Yeah, the rest. When you go that
say onim sa de na me ka cho situa meka no en succeed and so na ono ko ma vesa ade na also go but sometimes desperation man ko for ye ne omanti no enti me nka no bebre but why na adwe say minim pass ade a me ko ye nton one minim say en succeed two and so still na mebu wohu mebu na de ma sa asem we nyina ba ne say some Edinga say somewhere last year people were calling him out and Akwasi Agyemang Prempeh said boy scam and people didn't believe say oye scam dem na munkwa na obi succeed na yemo ya na Ghana for sa anema no obi kana asema na omo aso na no na munkwa na we say sam na ladies too bi ana ba ko ye Mary na ba ko Fina ba ko na oye Mary no ana odi nka ye ma no ana onu so ko refer ni nua no and then omo share omo documentation na niema enkoye red flags bi wo ho red flags ne say even with data ya issue ade no wo so date ne 31st February ube wi aso to say 31st February bi wo ba bi da what be that it's na omo wonder ubusa wo se nyame oh mimi no me de me ye ne say mo de mo details ne ma me then I forward it to the people to o cha say enyo ono na eye sa ade no what I say na emumu no owonkofo a omfaale ye bibia nti on de obeji u details keke na ode akọ said the ono ne pa akere no but ladies ni sha even lawyer crown or the guy firm the law firm bi e ma omo share law firm no nyema documentation ne so a lawyer na ye doctor umbu say oh oye doctor no kire oye lawyer but ono okwa PhD nti na ode doctor no na o kire madam fu bi kwa ade e wo you law chese ensem basa ana okeka kire mo but still na ladies ni share the ways economy say no ye di ti akọhye baby bone enti na chese akoye asem yie pa na so omo hwa that time ne kwa na nyema na ekoso no metua be 40,000 pounds e de ama na Akwasi Agyemang ya chese enya asem ketu akwa na areho na ne metimi aka kyewo ne se opese utukwan a wa obetimi akọ online wo ye wo research so we nim reading and writing na wo pa obi a obetena wo nchen wo ba bi wo nua bi obetena wo nchen na wa ya ama wa wutumi file wo bibia online efa afa amfa watena wo ba bi enye by force wo bekọ kwotua sika ma agent bia because agent ma visa eye troni na da na de bia omo da nkofo saa na say de bia nkofo su makotua sika ma we ama na him still na nkofo gusu omo gusu ene ame no kasa me show so obi kwa etua sika ewo baby asem we areho ye besere se wo bema wani ada ho because agent bi ama visa iti wa go through the right channel amfa na amfa efa na woko what I say na inja se de bia nkofo beji nkofo sika di na afa bi mutim se this na Akwasi guy no why ama nkofo ebusua ne omayaka ekom die binom ebi are stranded wo UK ho oni ni Nigeria ni no ama nkofo abraba ye miserable anomode enenam ho no areho medimani edi ensem nechi any update be fe oba de baba be so mo me ka so be follow Facebook as less of ghtrends and TikTok so as less of ghtrends video we ama fofo abehye medin edena na ekwa santoa makram